wants to go outside looking like Felicia from Friday when you can look like this? Okay, so let's first off get this hair back. I got a little headband, put my twist back just a little bit, and now I have my silk head wrap, silk or satin, bonnet, whatever you want to use, as long as you have that hair tied back. Okay? And make sure you have all pieces of your hair in because we want our hair protected, right? Now, to put on this beautiful Ankara head wrap. I'm already feeling the vibe of this already. I mean, look how the material of this fabric just brightens up my face. Okay, so we twist it one side. You can hold the other side down with your chin if you would like, and then take that little piece and just tuck it under. That's it. So now we have the other side. Twist it on up, crisscross it to the other side, and tuck it in. Any spare pieces hanging out, tuck that in too. Straighten out your head wrap to however which way you like it. And there you go. Just like that. Instant transformation with the beauty of a head wrap. Looking like a queen now. Thanks for watching.